You're paying $50 a month to wait in line for a machine someone's using as a phone booth. Meanwhile, 3 exercises exist that hit everything a full gym does. No membership, no commute, no guy hogging the bench for 40 minutes between sets. Here's the thing most people get wrong about gyms. They think more equipment equals more results. It doesn't. It equals more options to procrastinate. You spend 20 minutes deciding which machine to use and call it warming up. Real strength doesn't come from variety. It comes from mastering the right movements. And there are exactly 3 that cover it all. Push, pull, squat. That's it. Every exercise in existence is a variation of one of these patterns. The gym just sells you 47 different machines to do the same 3 things with chrome and padding. Strip that away and you've got everything you need. Let's break them down. Number 1, the push-up. Not the sad, half-rep, nose barely leaving the ground version, a real push-up. Chest to floor, full lockout, body in one rigid line. Done correctly, this move trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. That's 4 muscle groups in 1 rep. Want more chest? Go wider. Want more triceps? Go narrow. Want to feel like your arms are about to file a complaint? Elevate your feet. The push-up has more variations than most gyms have machines, and none of them cost you anything except the floor space you're already standing on. Progressive overload works here too. Add reps, add sets, make it harder. Archer push-ups, decline push-ups, one-arm progressions. The ceiling is higher than you think. Most people quit push-ups because they think they've maxed them out at 20 reps. They haven't. They've just hit the edge of what they've been willing to try. Number 2, the pull-up. This is where people panic. No bar, no pull-up, right? Wrong. A park exists near you. A door frame pull-up bar costs $20. A sturdy table works for rows if you're starting from scratch. No excuses left standing. The pull-up is the single best upper body pulling movement available. It trains your lats, biceps, rear delts, and core. Every cable row, every lat pull-down, every seated row machine in the gym is trying to replicate what a pull-up already does for free. They're the knockoff version. This is the original. Can't do one yet? Start with negatives. Jump to the top. Lower yourself slowly. Your muscles don't care how you got up there. They just respond to tension. Give them enough of it consistently, and pull-ups will come. And when they do, add variations: wide grip, close grip, commando, L-sit. The movement scales as far as you're willing to push it. Number 3, the squat. Your legs are half your body. Skipping them isn't a strategy. It's a personality flaw. The bodyweight squat is the foundation of every lower body movement pattern. Glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. One move, full coverage. The 3 exercises that replace an entire gym. Here's where most people go wrong. They bounce at the bottom, come up halfway, and count it. That's not a squat. That's a controlled fall with extra steps. Full range of motion means hip crease below parallel. Control down, drive up, squeeze at the top like you're trying to crack something. Once standard squats feel easy, progress. Jump squats for power. Bulgarian split squats for balance and single leg strength. Pistol squat progressions for the long game. Your legs will never be a weak point again. Push, pull, squat. 3 patterns. Infinite variations. 0 equipment. Every muscle group covered. This is the entire gym. Rebuilt without the membership fee, the parking lot, or the guy who never wipes down the equipment. You don't need more options. You need to get very good at the right ones. Start with 3 sets of each, every day or every other day. Progress the variations as they get easier. That's the whole system. No app required, no coach needed, just you, gravity, and the choice to stop using equipment as an excuse to avoid the work. The gym was never the point. The work was always the point. Now you've got no reason not to start. If you want a full roadmap for progressing these moves from beginner to advanced, the Calisthenics Playbook has you covered. Links in the description.